Welcome back to Feabhas Feabhas everyone, and I'm going to show you some more ways in which you can improve your Irish and speak more Irish throughout the day, throughout February. Okay, so phrase that you could use in the morning if you want to wake somebody up. You would say Dúisigh, Dúisigh or Dúisigh. If you've got Munster Irish, you'll probably say Dúisigh. So Dúisigh Liam, wake up Liam. Dúisigh Water, wake up Mara. Okay. However, if you are speaking to more than one person, you would use Dúisigí. So Dúisigí Water agus Liam, Dúisigí. Okay, at some point of the day, maybe in the middle of the day, or at any point of the day really, you might say to somebody, are you going? An bhfuil tú ag dul. An bhfuil tú ag dul amach, are you going out? Bhfuil tú dul chuig a siopa, you going to the shop? Or bhfuil tú ag dul amháile, are you going home? Okay, and the affirmative yes and no, tá agus níl. Okay, later on in the evening, you're sitting down and you might say to somebody, oh, should we watch or will we watch? An bhféachfaimid Eip, whatever. So an bhféachfaimid Eip, and you can put in whatever show or whatever film you're on that you're going to watch. Mata si begir a níos mó gaige ólam, leannig mar an man ho síalta, agus Feabhas a géadí sin eile si bacharte, slán go fólín.